Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one I will put on the right and this one we put on the left. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So if we want to put this one on numerator, so we need to put the negative on the power. And now we have the formula in here. So this one we have y to the power of negative 1 over 2 negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative 1 over 2 plus 1, and the next one that is about number 3 over 3, and the next one we have 2s, and I will put about c. So this one we have 1 over 2, this one we have 1 over 2. Now we have the conditions. So we have s equal to number 0, y equals to number 1. So I will put number 0 gone here, number 0 gone here, number 1 gone here, and now we can find the value of c equals to number 2. So I will put number 2 gone here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.